Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Russian right now. So let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now in order to set the language, to add a language, is to find it and tap on it. Sometimes you will be able also to pick the region, so let's tap on it. Of course, let's tap on the one you would like to set, and as you can see, our newly chosen language has been added to this list, but the English is still a main one. So in order to change the language, actually you have to tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position, because on the very first position we've got the main language, and as you can see, actually immediately we've got the changes. So from now on the system will be in chosen language, in my case French. So let me show it again. Let's tap on it. Let me switch to English, tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it actually immediately changes. So if you do not need 3 different languages added to this list because you just changed the language and you can remove all of them, just tap on this 3 that's icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. And right now we can mark those languages which we would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Let's tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.